What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. Today we're gonna show you a new, a new earbuds from Soundpeats. This is the Engine 4, and we're gonna unbox it today and show you how well it does. Also, just 1 second here. We are shooting with a new camera. I got rid of the ZVE1 from Sony. I returned it. I was just not happy with it. And today we're recording with a brand new camera. Let me know in the comments below if you can guess what it is. I also have the lens that I've been using from vlogging on my R5C. I don't know if you've seen that video. This is the Canon 16mm RF f2.8. So that's the same lens, but a different body, a lot lighter, and I can shoot around. I can walk around like this, vlog like this, go in different places, and show you guys more unboxing. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you want to get one of these Engine 4 Soundpeats, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So here we go. So this is the Soundpeats Engine 4. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm also using the built-in mic on this camera that we're using right now. So let me know what you think of the quality of the audio as well. Now, a little background with the Sony ZVE1. The thing that I don't like about it is that I didn't like the S-Log3. It's just too hard for me to edit. It's too dull, and it didn't give me too much depth on, too much flexibility on the editing, which I didn't like. With the C-Log3, it's not the best codec that Canon has, but it is actually much better. The Soundpeats here has the dual driver design, noise reduction for calls, and 4.5 hours of playtime as well. On top here, it has the literature. Open this up from behind here, and as you can see, there's some instruction manuals. Let me know what you think as well of this camera, of the autofocus. Now, for those of you who are wondering, this camera is pretty cheap as well. For $2,000 Canadian, you'll be able to get a nice vlogging camera, full frame as well, and have a C-Log3 built into it. So this has the optional earbuds as well, and a power adapter. So you get a USB-C cable with it. And also you get different earbuds, ear tips for the earbuds. I believe it has small, medium, large. Let's open this guy up. Right here. There we go. And this is the case right here. And you open it up. And as you could see, compared to like AirPods, this is like a standalone. It doesn't have the little tail, which I hate that tail on the AirPods, but this one is just a little earbuds, just sits in your ear. Pretty stealthy as well. It looks pretty cool. Now the inside of the case, you could see here, has this little magnetic parts right there. Nice feel inside. On the back, it has a Soundpeats name up there. I don't know if you could see that. On the bottom has the USB-C slot. Also an indicator light there, and like a sync button. There's one there as well. On top, inside, there's an indicator light as well of the battery status. That's it. Stick up the plastic here. I really like the design of the Soundpeats earbuds. You know, for the price of it as well, it's within the budget. It won't break the bank or anything like that. And it's pretty capable of great sound and great quality earbuds. So here is the earbuds right here. Let's open it up and put it on our ears. Really quickly here. I believe that's the right side. There we go. And then the left side right here. There we go. Oh, nice noise cancelling there. It does really go into my ear, as you can see there. How does it look on my ear? Not bad or what? Pretty good. Now we're gonna go to our phone and we're gonna try to sync it with the Bluetooth. So we're just gonna go to our phone here, go to Bluetooth, and as you can see in the bottom, it should show up Soundpeats Engine 4. There it is. Now that it's connected, it'll tell you on the earbuds as well. So let's test out some music here. I'm also listening to the new album of Trip Lee. If you don't know what that is, I'll link this down below as well. Must recommend. Boom, let's go, let's go. Now, these earbuds are nice, man. Great sound. So I have it on my 3/4 right there. Now, there's plenty of sounds on full blast. I probably won't do that. Let's just go about a half here. On a very quiet place, I'll probably keep it on half. Like I have a pretty quiet place here right now. That'd be nice for that. Now, if you want to sync this and do more things with it, there's also an option of the Soundpeas app. I would link this down below as well on the description below, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Pretty much it has a Soundpeas app and it'll connect to the earbuds so that you can pretty much, as you can see there, it's already connected automatically. As long as you have the app and it's your Bluetooth is connected to the Engine 4. And here you'll be able to look at the battery indicator, adaptive EQ. We're gonna go ahead and test this out. It's gonna take about 3 minutes, it says here. We're just gonna click it and hit next step here. It says here that it needs to the music needs to be paused. Turn off the phone to the volume to the maximum. So let's do that. And click start to start the test. When you hear the audio source, click I heard it. And you don't need to operate when you don't need the audio source. Okay, so we're pretty much just gonna tell that I could hear if I hear the audio source. So let's test this out. Let's hit start. So you can see there, it'll, depending on your ear, it'll test it out. Now, depending on how deaf you are, of course, that's how it will test. There it is. As soon as you hear something, you can just click it. And there is the test. So with the testing report here, you'll be able to see the hearing on both ears. I was able to hear like noises on the left side and the right side. And when I do hear it, and depending on how deaf my left side would be or right side would be, it will adapt to that. So I like this feature because you'll be able to have the EQ really set for your ears, and it's adaptive so that every ear is obviously different depending on how good your hearing is and how bad it is. This will test that and you'll be able to get the best quality of music on your ears. So let's hit enable. There we go. Now we have the adaptive EQ enabled. So let's test this out now with the music. It's pretty cool. It does slightly changed a bit, which is really nice. That means it's just more adapted to my ears now. Now, of course, there's different presets as well that Soundpeat has. As you can see there, multiple ones, pretty nice. There's also the custom equalizer if you want to customize it yourself, as you can see there. There's also the game mode here. If you're playing a game, I would hit the game mode right there. And then the new feature here for the Engine 4 is the dual device connection. Now there are touch controls as well on the earbuds. So for example, you want to increase the volume, you can do that with this. Just tapping it once. And then if you want to decrease, you could hit the other side. And if you want to pause, you just hit twice. As you can see there, and you could do that in the other side too. There it is. Now on the left side, if you want to turn on the game mode, you can just hit 3 times on the left side. There we go. The game mode is on now. And then on the other side, if you want to bring up Siri, as you can see there, there's Siri. Now for those of you who want to scroll around on the music What you could do is press and hold it for 1.5 seconds there, and it'll go on previews, as you can see there. And then if you want to do the same thing but backwards, you just do this. Pretty much 1.5 seconds will bring you previews or next, depending on which side you click. Pretty good. Now you could do this with phone calls as well if you get a call. If you want to answer a phone call, all you need to do is hit one of them twice. And if you want to reject a call or put the person on hold or something like that, you just need to hold it for 1.5 seconds. And that's really it, everyone. If you are looking for true wireless earbuds, this is probably one of the best ones that I've tested so far from Soundpeats. And also, if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. For those of you who are looking for earbuds that has all these features, even app features, and it has adaptive EQ, this is the one for you. Again, if I was able to help you, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.